In this lesson, we will discuss sets listing in braces. I have told you before that sets can be described in three different ways. So first is the word description method, second is the listing in braces, and third is set builder notation. Set builder notations, right? So here we are discussing listing in braces. We have a question given in set builder notation. We have to show or write them in listing in braces. Suppose the question is, if u is equal to, u represents the universal set, is equal to 1 2 3 4 and so on. This is ellipses, it means so on, and this is also called the natural number 1 2 3 4 5. Write the following sets by listing in braces. So suppose we have first one is x belongs to u and such that x is greater than 6 or x is lesser than equal to 13. This is the set builder notation. How we will find out that this is the set builder notation? You will see that in the curly bracket or in the medium bracket we have x, and this symbol means belongs to or membership, and if we cross this symbol it means does not belong or does not a member. So x belongs to or a member is u, and this is u. Such that, this line means such that, or while you have to read from here, x is greater than 6. This sign represents, if we will read from here, greater than, and if you can read from here it will says 6 lesser than, right? So x is greater than 6 and x is lesser than, this sign is lesser than, but if we put a line it means lesser than equal to 13, right? So this is the set builder notation we have to write down in the listing in braces. So these are called the braces, this curly bracket. We have to write down the integers from this universal set which is greater than 6, right? Greater than 6. So greater than 6 are 7. Start from 7, 8, 9, and what it says, less than and equal to 13. So 10, 11, 12 and 13 as well, because it says lesser than equal to. If it is only like this, less than, so I will finish at 12, less than 13, but it says less than and equal to 13. So 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. This is the listing in braces, and this is the set builder notation. Second is, suppose if we have x belongs to u means this universal set, right? And then x is odd, and suppose odd, and x is greater than equal to 9 but lesser than equal to 13. So see, first you have to make question clear what they are asking, right? It says x belongs to u, it means this is u. Whatever we will write down in listing in braces, it belongs to u, 1 2 3 4 5 and so on. While it should be an odd number, odd number means which is not divisible by 2, and greater than equal to 9, so 9 is also the odd number, and then 11, right? And then 13. We cannot write down 15, 17, 19 because it says is less than equal to 13. If it says only less than, then I will stop only at 11, 9 and 11. But it says less than and equal to 13, so 13 is also part of this. Right, one more question I will solve for you, then the concept will more clear. Suppose or I will move on. So keep in mind u is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay. Third is, suppose x belongs to u and u is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, right? Such that x is equal to 2n for some n belongs to n. Some, right? So u is, I will write down u here. U is, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and so on. We have to write down in listing in braces x belongs to u. Whatever we are going to write, it should belong to these, and this is also natural number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. X is equal to 2n for some n belongs to n. It does not says that you have to start from 1 to 5, first 5 or first 10, some. So you can do 4, or you can do 5, or you can do 6. It says some, right? Few. So 2n, just write down x is equal to 2n. We will start from 1. 1. So 2 multiplied by 1, which is equal to 2. So I will write down 2 here. Now I will, instead of this n, I will put 2. 2 multiplied by 2, which is 4. And then 2 multiplied by 3, which is 6. 2 multiplied by 4, which is 8. So 2, 4, 8, 10, 12, 14, so on. Or you can stop it here, right? Because it says some, few. 2n means even number. I told you, if we need odd, so what we will do, 2n minus 1. But this is 2n. So just put n is equal to 1, n is equal to 2, n is equal to 3, n is equal to 4, and so on, because we need few, right? So in this lesson, we have learned how to write down in listing in braces if we have given in set builder notation. But if still any point is not clear, please write down in comment section, and thanks for watching.